Birds and animals. Look, children, here are some birds and animals. You have to paste all birds in this column and all animals in this column. Okay? Are you ready? Come, let's do it. Who is this? A cat. Is the cat an animal or bird? Animal. So, let's paste cat here in animals column. Next, dog. What is the dog? Yes, an animal. Next one, crow. Yes, a bird. Who is the next? Our hen. Hen is a bird. The next one is duck. Is duck a bird or animal? Bird. Fix duck here. Who is next? Yes, elephant. Animal. Elephant is the biggest animal in the land. Next one is our beautiful peacock. Yes, it is a bird. Who is this? Yes, a horse. Horse is an animal. Let's paste horse here. Next one is our cute green parrot. What is the parrot? Yes, bird. Fix it here. The next one is goat. Is it a bird? No, it is an animal. Let's paste it here. The next one is kingfisher. Kingfisher is a bird. Who is next? A crane. Is crane an animal? No, crane is a bird. So, let's fix it here in birds column. Well done!